I'm Susan, and today I'm participating in the 50 Stack Challenge hosted by Amy of Crafty Cap. And our prompts for today is on number 43 is postage stamp and 44 is mark making. So I hope you'll enjoy this video. Be sure and check out Amy's channel and be sure and check out the hashtag 50 Stack Challenge. And I also want to take this opportunity to say that my prayers are with Damar Hamel. He was the Buffalo Bills player that was hit last night and is in critical condition for a heart attack. And also the actor that plays Hawkeye in the Marvel movies was in a serious accident. He was doing snow removal on his tractor and he's in critical condition. And I know these people seem far away and distant to us, but you know, they're still a part of our lives. And I just want people to know that my prayers go out to them. So, without further ado, let's get started. Well, here are my guest checks. I've got 43, which was stamps, and I just did some mini postcards and made a pocket out of my paper and just made a tag out of that. And this one I'm going to use as a journaling card. I may round the corners. I haven't made up my mind. And this was mark making, and I love how it turned out. I'm not sure what kind of journal I would use this in, but I like the mixture of modern and vintage. And I love the shimmery of it. I don't know if the camera picks it up, but the paint I used is a shimmer paint, most of it. The white was a regular white. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Be sure and check out Amy's channel at Crafty Cat, and be sure and check out the hashtag 50 Stack Challenge. So until next time, bye y'all.